From our world to yours, welcome to contact.
Our scientists discovered a planet with 3 suns in your own galaxy. Your scientists named this planet HD 131999AB, which Peter Quill said is
a terrible name for a planet.
He said that you Terrans should have called it
something cool like Mars, but you know, that hasn't already been taken.
I am still trying to decipher exactly how a name makes a planet's temperature cooler. You may wonder what it is like to live on a planet with 3 suns. Observe. For much of the year, our suns appear close together in the sky, giving it a familiar Terran night and day cycle, yet with a unique triple sunset and sunrise each day. As our planet continues along its orbit, the suns grow further apart until they reach a point where the setting of one coincides with the rising of another. At this point, Xandar is in near constant daytime. Is that not wondrous? There are so many wonders in our universe. You will discover more of them as you continue your visit here in the wonders of Xandar. We welcome you, Terrans.
Circulation of goods and people.
First population. Our famous Galaxarians, where Xandarians go to learn about our history and culture, inspired the Galaxarian we brought here to the wonders of Xandar at Epcot. Education is paramount to all Xandarians, as evidenced by our numerous knowledge centers. They attract students from Andromeda and beyond.
Our oceans produce both energy and
Novas are part of the as all Nova work together to promote the common cause of galactic harmony. The differences in planets are most subtly in stars and one horizontal ball. The Nova forms reflect our peaceful ocean with clean lines and a deep green hue that honors the abundant, life-giving waters of our planet. But they also reflect our strength. In battle, the armor is placed over the standard uniform and provides
This is none other than Drax the Destroyer.
See? You shield joy.
Anyways, I danced circles around the Kree dude. Totally safe today.
Your weird and embarrassing dances play as a means of distraction so that rocket can destroy the Kree level.
Thank you, Drax, for setting the record straight for our viewers.
You are welcome.
What courage, Peter Quill. To flail around like a total fool to help save the day.
Okay, see, you're not really making it sound as intense and dangerous as it actually was.
I'm sure it was very intense. we'll learn more about just how intense and dangerous it was than just the levels.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born at the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the cosmic generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the cosmic generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on. Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Okay, before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Superior Monarch, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Well, our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Well, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I'm watching Terrans for the odds.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When?
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, you know we're going to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow him through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What? There's cake. Where's this cake?
The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. I got this.
We're all toast.
First there was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. Oh no. This planet economy doesn't stand a chance. What? It's still on? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I'm on. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out. This day is the worst.
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well? Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. Get it.
Noise?
No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back. All the way.
Oh, Christ. Is that the bingo? The Big Bang! Let's see, Jigger.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator! We're ready!
Oh yeah? We'll see about that. Rocket, get us back.
That I caught! Yeah, we did that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Okay. Let me try this. Shut up, Form.
I hate buildings.
Quill, we're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Nova team, leave your star blasters.
We have him contained, but not for long. Our world would have been perfect.
Well, nobody's perfect.
We're back.
the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?